Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off notifications on Amazon Prime Video application. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your Amazon Prime Video application and make sure to log into your account. After you're signed in, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top right hand corner. This will then open up your profile. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right, and from the list of options displayed on the screen, tap on the notifications button under registered devices. Now, if you've allowed all of your notifications and you'd like to turn it off, simply tap on the toggle button right next to allow notifications, and this will disable all of the notifications from your Amazon Prime Video application. So that's how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.